Hey everyone, it's Matt from Zen Shop, and today I've got an update on how we're doing for the launch of the SMS and customer reviews functionality that I last spoke to you about when I was in Turkey, in Antalya. So you can see behind me, it's a little bit dark. I'm actually in Bulgaria, Bansko now. It's mid-February, and yeah, I've just got out the gym actually. Yeah, apologies for the extra arm muscle here, although you can see it making those gains. Yeah. So yeah, I've been snowboarding. I've been going to the gym. I'm feeling very healthy. Definitely enjoying this last January. Um, However, I've got to own up to the fact. You may have noticed that the SMS functionality did not get released in the time that I was expecting. Neither did the customer reviews. So there is a good reason for it, but there is also another reason for it. So I'll try and explain both. The first reason is when I came to launch that functionality, so I did get quite close to it actually. There's half the work done for the SMS currently in the code base. It just hasn't been exposed yet to our users. So it's sending messages. Um, the issue was is when I came to launch it on the staging environment, it didn't work. And the reason why is because the Shopify integration has changed in the time that Shopify and ZenShop first integrated. So there's been new APIs from Shopify, new dependencies, new updates, and I've been frozen in time for the last year. I haven't moved with those changes. So things started to break, things weren't working. I needed to do a bunch of work to basically bring that in line with Shopify's latest changes. I've done that now. I have to say though, it really, really killed my enthusiasm. I was not happy to do this. It was not fun work. There was a lot of tedious bug fixing, a lot of going through the code with a fine tooth comb, looking for issues, trying to find issues, regression testing, lots and lots of testing. It's done finally. It's mid-February now. It's been a month and a half. It should have taken probably 2 weeks to have done this, but it took free time as long as it should have done. And this is the second reason I think honestly, having faced that problem, it was really killing my enthusiasm for ZenShop. Like I was not feeling happy about ZenShop. And it's very interesting to like self-analyze it now, because now that I've done it and it's pushed to production, I'm currently looking at the system with a like a hawk, like just to see if there's any issues. I'm also talking to users of ZenShop to make sure they're happy. So far, all good. Um, but yeah, it was killing my enthusiasm for ZenShop, and the reason why is because that functionality was not something I anticipated to have to do. It's not something I wanted to do. It didn't improve the experience of ZenShop to my customers in any noticeable way. For them, everything is the same, but for me, everything is different because the code has had to be updated, the code has had to be tested and retested. I've had to do a lot of work, but I haven't been able to show that to customers. It's quite frustrating, but it's done. I can breathe a sigh of relief. I think many Shopify app developers will also sympathize with me on this. I'm sure they're doing similar issues and overcoming those same problems. The only problem I have is because obviously I'm a solo founder. The responsibility is borne on these shoulders. I have to do it, and no one's paying me to do that. So yeah, except for my customers, of course. And I'm also happy to say we're still getting, recurring subscriptions of ZenShop. It's improving. We've got 10 stores now using ZenShop. There's things happening, and I'm happy. But the biggest thing I'm happy about is as of today and tomorrow, we're going to be back on the horse, going to be working on those exact same things that I last spoke to you about in December. I'm working out in the gym. I'm snowboarding a little bit when the snow happens. It's lovely weather. I'm here in Bansko. Life is good. Lots of exciting things going to happen. I've got some other potential news from where I might be based next later on this year, but I'll talk more about that soon. But yeah, I'm very excited, and I'm going to give you more updates as soon as possible when they arrive for that SMS and customer reviews. We've got obviously great features coming down the pipeline now that this Shopify work has been done. And yeah, more updates soon. See you soon. Bye.